Today we're going to remove the thermostat from a 2012 Jeep Wrangler. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is remove this air intake ducting. So let's go ahead and use an 8mm to remove this screw and that one. We're not going to remove it. We're just going to loosen it up. That way we could get this clamp loose and get this piping out of the way. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to loosen this up here, and these are 10mm. Yep, go ahead and loosen those up. And these we are going to take all the way off. Perfect. And just go ahead and set this on the side. Nice, safe location. Let's go ahead and disconnect this hose from here. Let's go ahead and do it from here. And there is a sensor back in here. Let's go ahead and press this. Yes, and it should release it. Alright, and there it is. And just go ahead and just set this to the side. Now we have a lot more access to our thermostat housing. It appears that it has two bolts. Sweet. So let's go ahead and have a pan ready to catch the fluid. So let's go ahead and let's take off the hose first. Alright, go ahead and clamp this down and it should start to leak. And let's go ahead and move it back. There it is. Alright, there, I broke it loose. Let's try to aim for that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that's hot. Alright, and to remove the bolts, we're going to be using a 10mm socket with an extension and a ratchet to break these loose. Let's go ahead and break both of them loose. Alright, and just take both of these bolts off, put them in a nice safe location. The housing should come right off. Do take note that the O-ring gasket, this one here, is stuck to the frame, so you want to make sure you pull that out. Next you want to do is just clean the surface, prep it for the install, and you're set. But that would be for the next video. This video is just how to remove the thermostat from this 2012 Jeep Wrangler. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.